Someone who wasn't Mark Twain once wrote, "The coldest winter I ever spent was a summer in Maine." Now, some say it was Paris, San Francisco, or even Duluth, but we're pretty sure it was Maine. Well, sir, we here at Mathews Brothers are always looking for ways to make it easier for folks from away to make it up here to Belfast, where they can come in out of the cold for their own personally guided tour of our wicked awesome and slightly warmer factory. This year, for example, we added a couple dozen parking spaces to our wicked awesome parking lot. Now, some cynics have felt the need to point out that we merely sprayed paint lines on the grass, but if it was good enough for Woodstock, it's good enough for us. During the tour, you'll warm your hands near the quartz heaters on our parallel process insulating glass machine. You'll bask in the glow of the Mathews brothers and sisters you'll meet along the way, and maybe even toast some marshmallows over our fusion welders. At the end of your tour, you'll walk away with a new appreciation of the talent and technology that we combine to make our amazing, wicked awesome windows and doors, as well as a dandy souvenir that's sure to impress your neighbors when you get home. You can see the wicked awesome results of our efforts, but only at better lumberyards and window professionals, or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. Mathews Brothers with one T, America's oldest window manufacturer.